have a favorite movie star or television star? If you do, have you ever wondered what their personal life was like? If you have, you are definitely not alone. In today's society, it seems as if many individuals are interested in knowing the latest news or gossip surrounding today's most popular stars. In addition to who is dating who, a focus is also placed on celebrity fashions. In fact, there are many out there who wish that they could dress and look like one of their favorite celebrities. While this feeling is quite common, it often leaves many others wondering why. When it comes to examining the celebrity fashion phenomenon, it is actually difficult to come up with an answer as to why it is so popular. Different individuals like to look and dress like celebrities for different reasons, some of which are easier to explain than others. Just a few of the many reasons why the celebrity fashion phenomenon has gained such a following or touch, let's talk about that. The thing about celebrities is that they are popular and well known. In fact, many celebrities cannot even leave their homes without being recognized and podded for autographs by fans. While many celebrities wish that they could change this, there are many everyday individuals who wish that they had their own fan following or wish that they were as popular. Although dressing a certain way or in a certain style of clothing isn't necessarily guaranteed to make you more popular, there are many individuals out there who think that it does. These are often the individuals who regularly check out the latest in celebrity fashion trends. Another one of the many reasons why the celebrity fashion phenomenon is continuing to increase in numbers is because celebrities are often well known for their fashion choices. If you were to turn your television on to fashion show or even just a news channel, read a fashion magazine or visit an online celebrity gossip website, there is a great chance that you will find a celebrity being complimented in their good taste in clothing. Most important, individuals aren't always complicated on their clothing or fashion accessories, although many wish that they were. That is one of the many reasons why many individuals try to keep up with celebrity fashions and copy them in any way possible. Although there are some out there who view the celebrity fashion phenomenon as an unhealthy obsession. There is actually really nothing wrong with keeping up with the latest in celebrity fashions. What you need to remember though is that just because it looks good on a celebrity, it doesn't necessarily mean that the same thing will look good on you. You should also keep price in mind. Many celebrities have unlimited financial resources. Therefore, the cost of clothing and fashion accessories is not always an issue for them, but it may for you. Of course, you can dress like a celebrity if you want to, but you need to remember that celebrity fashions regularly change. Therefore, there is no need for you to go broke trying to afford the hottest trends that may only last for few weeks. In short, the celebrity fashion phenomenon is one that is regularly discussed by fashion experts as well as product manufacturers and clothing designers. With the celebrity fashion phenomenon and its current state, it is not uncommon to find designers trying their best to get their latest fashions appearing on today's hottest celebrities.